So this is a quick video showing the progress of my siren control panel. We've got the control panel hardwired in today so that we can operate the Castle casting siren that we're going to hopefully get mounted on the roof of the house. This is my power supply coming into the house, which I'm very lucky because it's a three-phase supply that was in. All we had to do was have a three-phase meter fitted. Single phase one was removed. We got a new three-phase meter because we were due to change out the fuse box to consumer unit anyway. So that's our new consumer unit that's there. That's replaced the old one that used to sit right there. And then you can see we've got some very handy trunking that goes up through the ceiling, and that works its way out into the attic, and then that's going to be the run where we run the steel wired armoured cable onto the roof. I'll just open the lid of the consumer unit. So this is our new consumer unit, and you can see here, if I carry over, that's the breakers which power the siren control panel. Currently switched off. It's a C-rated breaker, 32 amp C-rated breaker, which I believe is the correct type for motors, because they take a bit more jip to get them to start. So rather than the tripping out, it holds off from tripping for a few seconds longer, or fractions of a second longer, while the motor gets up and running. So that's the power on to that. And then we come to the panel again. And at the moment what we've got is we've got the panel in the off position. So when it's in the off position, you're able to unlock the cabinet and look inside. Here we go. This is new old stock, so it came in the packaging that from the manufacturers. You can see the incoming power supply going into the isolator switch there. When I turn the red lever on the front, it powers up the panel and also locks the cabinet, deadlocks the cabinet from opening. That's the cables that will go out the siren. So you've got the ones for the three lives that go to the motor. Then you've got a neutral and a live for the heater plates of cable there as well. They're the spare fuses up there. And these are the fuse carriers. On the back of here we've got the wiring diagram. Okay, so now we'll see the thing work. So I've not been quite able to work out what the test position does. You did press this little button and then you can turn the handle the other way, but we'll lock that now in that position, so that's locked, and we're going to put that to on. So straight away you get the two power indicators to say that three phase is present. And this switch here, this is to pull the heater on, and as you can see, if we turn that on, the heater comes on. Okay, and here, this is the siren launch button, really, I suppose is the best way I can describe it. So what you've got there is you've got it in the off position. You could remove the key so that it's never going to go off, and then when you put the key in, just let me swap hands. When you put the key in, that'll let you turn it to that position, which is push for on, and as I press that in, you'll hear the contactors come on inside. It's a big clunk click. Or you can turn it you can push it in so it's on and lock it on. So I presume at that point in time, if you were to pull the key out, which you can't do, so that leaves it locked on. So you can pull it out only when it's in the off position. There we go. Or can you pull it out in the on position? Oh, you can pull it out in the on, that's right. So that is how you'd have it set if it was going to be the WB that was going to bring it in. And that's the connector on the side where we're going to run the WB into it. WB. That's the socket on the side there. British Telecoms signalling receiver, and there we are. I'll turn it back off again. Okay, thanks for watching.